So far, we have only discussed about isolate.run and how we can pass arguments to a method which is running inside an isolate. Now, it's the right time to discuss about compute. Compute is another way to create and use an isolate. So the compute method requires us to pass an callback and a message. So we are required to pass both of these, else the compute method will give us an error. So here I'm going to pass the calculate as a callback, and to the message I'm going to pass 10.0. But as you can see, we are asking for two arguments, but here we are only able to pass a single argument, right? To solve this, we need to remove this parameter here, right? Now your question would be, what's the difference between isolate.run and compute? Basically, compute is a wrapper around isolate.run. So whichever callback you are going to pass here will be called here, and the message which you are going to pass here will be passed on to the callback, right? So there's no difference. It is basically a wrapper. So why they have created a compute method? Because they want to implement the isolate functionality for the web. But as you look into the isolate web.dart code, they have only inserted await null. They are only pushing a single frame. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.